Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. I'm so excited to see y'all. I am standing into what we call the Daleville. This is our newest 1-bedroom, 1-bath floor plan. It's a 16 by 36, and this 1-bedroom actually has a separate living area. We know we've seen the Thrifties plenty of times with that open studio concept. Well, we wanted to create a floor plan where we could kind of separate the two, and so we came up with the Daleville. Here we go. I'm standing at the front door here, and actually the customer moved this door from over there to over here. So that moving doors, guys, that's easy. Enlarging windows, moving windows, things like that. As long as we can structurally still build the home and not have any problems, it's a-okay. No problem there. So we've got the living area here with a nice bar stool sitting area. And I just want to get close to here so you can see the actual depth of that seating area. So, and I imagine across the top we could do at least 1, 2, 3, and 4. And coming over into the kitchen, let me just step back here so that you can get an overview of the kitchen. And what a great space and a great color selection. We've got drama marble on the countertop, Nordic white on the floor, white on the cabinetry. Anytime you add all these whites, guys, it's going to enlarge the space and make it feel just much bigger than it is, even though this is a very large space already for a single wide and for a 1-bedroom for sure. So 16 wide is the way to go. Standing into the kitchen, I love how you have the separation of the living area into the kitchen area, just in case you maybe have a few cups or spoons, something you want to hide away. You've got it tucked in. You've got a separation there. And we've got some cabinet space there, a bank of drawers as always. Standard Whirlpool appliances. We've got a refrigerator shelf over there. This is an 18.2 cubic foot refrigerator with the electric range, standard hood, and we've added some cabinet knobs there. Coming back into the personal space, we're gonna pass right by the furnace here. Remember, we're doing the black hardware still. We've got washer dryer area with the main water shutoff and water shutoffs throughout. We've got the shelf right there. Now this gets interesting. Coming into this 1-bedroom space, a lot of times you're going to find it difficult to do a walk-in shower, but we've got plenty of room in here. Now hopefully it's not too dark. I've got my flash on, but we added some grab bars here, and we've got the 2-seater shower. So this customer is going to be very comfortable getting in and out of the shower with the assistance of the grab bar. And then we've got the regular vanity with an elongated commode, lighted bath fan, and here's the bedroom space. I want to get a good look at this bath or closet, excuse me. It's nice indeed. So here you have it, the newest addition to our single wide family, the Daleville. Give me a call. Let's take a personal tour. I'll take you over to the factory. It's super cool. We can see homes being built process by process. I'm the Mobile Home Mama, 260-383-1009. Thanks, everybody.